Okay, pupils, we are on this Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook on page 48. So we are on Unit 5, Getting Around. So this is Lesson 1, Vocab. Activity 1, look and read. Choose the correct words and write them on the lines. There is one example. So given number 1, to move something to a higher position. So this is lift. And number 2, you do this to make a bicycle move. So this is verb pedal. So P-E-D-A-L. So if you are aware of it, so don't confuse with these 3 terms here or 3 vocab here. So you may learn in the previous unit, pedal. This is petal. So about flower, each of the segments of the corolla of a flower. And then the third one, pedal. So you go to number 3, towards the direction that is in front of you. So in front meaning forwards. So this is forward. And then we have number 4, towards the direction that is behind you. So this is antonym of number 3. So this is backwards. Number 5, a very tall modern building. So this is skyscraper. So remember tall. So this is a keyword sky. So skyscraper. And then we have number 6, a place where you make things or repair broken things. So this is workshop. So maybe you went to car workshop before. So workshop, workshop. Without spacing here. So this is, they are bind together. So workshop. And number 7, you often do this to someone to show love or friendship. So this is hug. Workshop, skyscraper, hug. H-U-G. And then number 8, not modern, typical of a time in the past. So this is not modern. The synonym is old-fashioned. Old-fashioned. So this is hyphen instead of dash. So you need to differentiate between hyphen and dash. So this is hyphen and then fashion. With ed, fashion. Number 9, the air in a city is like this if there is a lot of traffic. So this is polluted. Double L. And then number 10, this describes something on a computer screen that looks real. So this is virtual. So maybe you heard these phrases before. So this is, one is augmented reality, or called AR in short, or virtual reality VR. So augmented reality, maybe you can play Pokemon Go. So that is one type of AR. And then maybe you go to surf YouTube and you search for maybe VR video. So this is from YouTube. And then if you can see it here, so this is the VR video. So you may need VR devices to see it. So I give you take a look on the first version of this VR box. So this is VR, so you will need some kind of this device to look at this video. And then you place this mobile device on to just now that device to look at. So to look at it, so as if you use and if it looks real, so this is called a virtual reality. So we come back to this page again. So as you can see here, just now I've shown you the device. So this is a VR device, and then this is its controller. So we go to this activity 2. Complete the text with the words from activity 1. So I love playing computer games, especially virtual ones, which are so realistic. So as in this one, so this is VR device. I've got a new time travel game. If you click the button to go, so the button to go forwards, into the future, you can see very tall skyscrapers. SCRAPERS. On the screen, you can lift people. So to move people to a higher position, so you can lift people into the air to the top of these buildings and see inside. If you click the button to go, so this is the antonym of this forwards. So this is backwards. To go backwards, you can see the past. It is fun to see how people travel over 100 years ago. There weren't many cars, so the air wasn't, so this is polluted. In the game, days end, so old-fashioned, because and this is an article, old-fashioned, and then we have ed, old-fashioned car in a, so for repair, so this is workshop. In a workshop for repair, it doesn't go very fast. People, so there are bicycles, so this is pedal. People pedal their bicycles along the street. You can make friends and the people you liked. So hug the people you liked. You can follow them around to see their daily life, which is fun. So that's it for today. So this is Year 6 Academy Stars Workbook. We are on page 48, Unit 5. So that's it for today. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here. And then you can also consume the related contents here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my diagram robot that I developed for free.